this video, we will be healing our relationship with God, with Divine, with the universe, with your higher self, or whatever you call. Because whenever things doesn't work in our life in our favor, the first person we complain and condemn is our own creator. So let's take this opportunity to make a very good relationship with our creator and restore the love, the peace, and the happiness in our life. Please repeat the phrases with me to get the best results out of this video. Sit in a comfortable position. Relax your body. Relax your energy. Close your eyes and keep right hand on your heart and take a couple of deep breaths and release. Now repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility of every situation I'm attracting in my life, whether it's good or bad, right or wrong, in my favor or not in my favor. Dear God, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, dear God, for offending you so many times in my thoughts, through my words, and through my actions. I'm really sorry for not being grateful of so many things you have given me already. I'm so sorry for always complaining that my life is not perfect. Please forgive me, dear God, for not taking responsibility of my own life and blaming things, situation, and people for my current situation. Please forgive me, dear God, for not understanding the purpose of my life, for not understanding that I'm here for a reason, for not understanding that it's not easy to get a human life. Thank you so much, dear God, for always being there with me in every situation. Thank you so much for taking care of me from the time I was born till today. Thank you so much, dear God, for giving me this beautiful prayer and helping me to erase any painful memories which I'm holding right now and converting them into pure light and pure energy. I love you, dear God. I love you unconditionally. Though I have never told you this before, but today I want to tell you that I would have never existed in the first place if you didn't create me. And I'm so thankful to you for my human creation, the highest form of life anybody could get. I love you, dear God, and I trust you unconditionally. I know I'm always taken care of because you are always there in every moment of my life. Dear God, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath and release any complaints you still have with the universe, believing that whatever is happening in your life today is there for a reason. You can slowly open your eyes, take a deep breath again, and release. I hope this prayer was super helpful to you, because it's very, very important to rebuild our connection with our Creator so that we can experience the miracles of this human life. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment if you find this useful, and also let me know if you want me to make videos on any particular topic which may help you. Please share it with at least 3 people, because I know this would be really useful for your loved ones. If you want to practice with me live, please join the link given in the description box, and you will get access to all my free healing sessions which I conduct on weekends. Thanks for staying till now. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.